husband. He's filming me. So we're off the grid again. Okay, we're not quite off the grid. They turned off our electricity, and it was supposed to be only off for a couple hours. Actually, they didn't even tell us they were going to work on the tower today, but they did. And then they said it was just going to be off a little while. That was at 8:22. 6 o'clock it still was not on. I called. They said any minute. 7 o'clock they told me 10. I don't even know what time it is now. 7:30 I think. What time is it? I can't read. I can't see the clock. 7:30? 8:30? 8:30. Oh, that's lovely. Now they said we'll be lucky to have our electricity on by midnight. That's not to say the refrigerators aren't doing that great already. They're not too bad, because what I do is, if we don't have a lot of food in there, I keep blocks of ice in the freezer, like milk cartons, milk gallon jugs frozen. So I kind of move that around. So far okay. My eggplant was supposed to be baked, not fried. So we do have a cooktop because it's gas and I can light it with a match. Our oven isn't working because it has an electric thermostat like most ovens. And this is why I like having a gas cooktop, because you can always light it. And with eggplant, some people that are going gluten-free, you know, you do need a mix of flour, especially when you're going to pan fry it. So what you do is, I found a really good panko. I don't have the box in front of me right now. I found a really good panko that's gluten-free. It would be good if you took a coffee grinder and took a little bit and grinded it up into a powder. So this way you have a mix of the pieces of panko along with finer panko, so it coats better. So if you're going to have to pan fry it like I am in vegetable oil, it will coat much better. It just gives a different sizes. So this way it will coat. Otherwise, like, see, you've got a mix of fine. If you've got gluten-free flour or you just regular flour, you can mix some flour in there, cornmeal. This is a mix of, let's see, it's an egg and some milk and some hot sauce, taco sauce, and then a little salt and pepper and a little, no, I didn't put garlic in today. I was going to, but you can put any flavoring you like. The panko was kind of plain, so I wanted to add something else to it. So you can always experiment with different things. So if you're gluten-free, try to get a mix of flour in there so you've got different sizes so it coats really, really good, especially if you're going to pan fry. And if you're vegan and you're making this, and you can use vegetable oil and you're cooking your food, then what I would do is use an almond milk and get a vegan mayonnaise if you can, or an egg substitute, whatever you can have. Mix that into the almond milk or cashew milk, whatever you can have, and use that to dip your eggplant in. And you should be good. You know, you can use different things. Like I said, I never made this to fry tonight, but we're basically by candlelight and a generator. So we're going to eat that. I made chicken yesterday, so we have cold chicken left, and hopefully we'll have electricity in the next 4 or 5 hours. I'm not going to get anything done. Oh, when it rains it pours. My daughter's air conditioner broke, so it's like all these different things. So hopefully we'll have our power on soon. This is a planned power outage, they told me. It's nice if they would have told me. I don't know what my neighbors are thinking. They're all black. The hillside is just black. But we do keep a generator for emergency. So this is not going in the oven. But you know, I fried it really good. I'll tell you, it's really, really good. I have tasted it. I know you can't see it because it's so dark. Oh, look how nice it fried up. And it tastes really good. And I'll prove it in a minute how good it tastes. Whoop. Sorry, I had to tell my dog to move. She's waiting for what she thinks she's getting. You're not getting eggplant. Tell her she's not getting eggplant. You're not getting eggplant. I don't even know if it's good for dogs. No, no eggplant. But anyways, that's it. Now I'm going to show you Gary. Let's see, you try the no electricity eggplant and tell me if it's any good. Dinner by candlelight and loud generator. Came out really good, didn't it?
Yeah, it is good.
You know, it's so bad for you.
Yeah.
Because you got the oil. The oil's hot, and it always tastes better when you pan fry it. But
I like eggplant anyway, so.
it really actually tastes really good. It came out really soft and good, and you don't have to heat the oven up. Of course, we can't heat the oven up because of the thermostat. Look at my refrigerator. Sorry about this. I'm in garden clothes. My refrigerator's got all kinds of pictures. Isn't that cute? This is my dad. And then that's my granddaughter. But that's old pictures. Yes, I'm going to go finish it up so I don't get my camera greasy. And like I said, with the eggplant, if you want, you don't have to oven bake it. You can fry it. And that's what happened tonight. We're frying it. And it's actually better. For me, you like it anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. Oh no, you are not. I can't even see you. You're in the dark. You're not getting eggplant. You get your dog food and chicken. So with that, I'm going to go finish up by candlelight and try to clean up the kitchen. There's stuff everywhere. Tiny kitchen, so a little bit looks like a lot. Like I said, if you don't want to put it in the oven, go ahead and fry it. It works. It actually works. It's really, really good. So have a great day.
Don't forget to eat what you grow.
Bye-bye, and hopefully the lights will be on soon, because boy, that generator is loud. Bye-bye.